All right, folks. All right, folks. This is my 1968 ES3 35. And all this craziness I've done here was because I'm going to get rid of this trapeze. Stupid ass trapeze thing. Because every time I strum the strings, these strings ring out like a reverb tank. And I put some felt on here to stop that, but it's just when you bend the strings, you have to bend them further. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill 2 gigantic holes into this guitar that's been unmolested for 52 years. And so what I've done, very carefully measured from my Les Paul, the distance from here to here and here to here. And I've seen a lot of videos, or a few videos on this. And so what I've done was I put masking tape on the guitar to protect it. And I've also put masking tape on the stop tail so it won't move around. And the way I, here's another guitar. So the way I marked it, which was, I thought genius, was I took magic marker and I blackened the ends of the posts, and I just stuck them in there like that, and I made that little black mark right there. So this is going to be a video of me drilling holes into this guitar. It's kind of scary. I got the drill bits. This is a 1/2-inch drill bit. I got a little reamer. I got some extra drill bits just in case. So here we go. So I've removed all this. I had this on here just to make sure everything was lined up with the F holes and stuff. But anyway, here's my little marks. That's where I'm gonna be drilling. And I'm gonna cover up the F holes so I don't get sawdust in there. Okay, so what I've done, I've taken these studs, I guess you call them studs, and I just made sure that I'm not going to drill all the way through the guitar, so I marked it with masking tape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my first hole. For the love of God, this is just wrong. So freaking wrong. Oh no, what have I done? Oh, please, Lord, forgive me, for I know not what I do. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Guitar. Whing. I guess I got it in the middle. Let's do the other one. Oh, God, oh, God, oh, God, oh, God, oh, God, oh, God. Oh God, I hope they're right. Whing. Okay. Now I'm gonna change to a larger drill bit. I got a larger drill bit. A larger drill bit. Oh God, oh God. Oh, back it out. It was like, oh, it's grabbing too hard. You should have used the smaller one. But that'll do. Oh! God. Please, Lord. Oh, shit, man. That just fucking digs in there too quick. Don't make them smaller, man. Don't do what I just did. I think I'm going to be okay. Okay. All right. So this is not quite the 1/2 inch yet, but we're getting up there. We're getting up there. Oh man, why did it grab like that? That fucking grab in like that. That's scary. I just gotta... Damn it. All right, folks. You can tell I'm a professional luthier here. This is the 1/2 inch, man. This is the full size one. Damn it. Why does it grab like that? That's fucking just killing me. All right. Let's see, it's grabbing. Oh, man. This is not for the faint of heart, folks. Okay. Damn. Shit. Make sure this thing is why is it grabbing in like that? Pissing me off. Okay. All right. I think I basically did it. Okay. Take off the tape now. See what the hell I did. It's just wrong to drill holes. Drill holes into your guitar like this, but it's going to be way better. It's going to sound better. So the beveled end goes in the hole here. Yeah, that's going to work. Man. All right, so now I have to drill a hole through here into the cavity here so I can put a wire to ground it. And I'm just going to bevel out the holes with this thing. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Just to kind of get it to look a little nicer. Okay, so I'll just do a little bit of this right here. You know what? I'm going to use an X-Acto knife on that. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just going to cut the finish here. Just to kind of make the hole a little more smooth, so the studs can go in here a little easier. You know what I'm saying? Man, this is just, it's really stressful doing this stuff, you know. I'm saving some money. God. Yeah, I think it's going to be okay. All right. That'll have to do. Okay, so now I'm going to drill a hole through the side here. All right, so this is for the ground wire. And I'm just going to drill it right through the hole, right through the side, right here. Come on now. Oh, well, that was pretty thin. That little wall there. Amazingly thin. Okay, well that was easy. Okay, so I'm just using, so I took the wire out of the shielding wire. This is this is shielded wire right here. So I took the shielding off the inside wire here. Anyway, and that'll be a good ground. This is what they use for the pickups, you know. That's what they use for the pickups. And so I'm gonna keep that in there and get my mallet, and I'm gonna pound the guitar with a mallet now. Okay, now I got my handy dandy rubber mallet, and you know what I'm gonna do? Yeah, that should be okay. I want my mommy. Okay, just call me Johnny the Hack. I did it. And there is continuity here, so gotta check this. Make sure the ground wire. Oh yeah. That means the ground wire is in there. Oh. Should it go in further? Further? Anyway. That one works. Let's see if this one works. Yes, sir. Yeah. I think I may have done it.